Friends, welcome to Yadnya Investment Academy. Today we're going to talk about the standard deduction of 40,000 rupees announced in the budget 2018 for salaried individuals, which will replace the annual medical reimbursement of 15,000 rupees and transport allowance of 19,200 rupees. Standard deduction is a deduction allowed under the Income Tax Act irrespective of the expenses incurred or investments made. So no need of any bills, investment proofs or disclosures required to claim this deduction. So medical reimbursement plus transport allowance together gave you an income tax deduction of 34,200 rupees till the financial year 2017-18. With these being replaced by standard deduction, you now get an additional deduction of 5,800 rupees from the financial year 2018-19. But do remember, due to the National Health Protection Scheme announced in the budget 2018, an additional cess of 1% would be applicable on your tax payable, which takes the total cess to 4% from the earlier 3%. There are two ways in which an employer can cover medical expenses of a salaried employee. One is through fixed medical allowances received as a part of salary. Now this medical allowance is fully taxable. And another is through medical reimbursement. Now your employer can reimburse your medical expenses when you submit pharmacy bills or medical treatment bills for medical treatment taken at public or private hospitals or clinics for yourself, your spouse, children, dependent siblings or parents. So this medical reimbursement thus received up to 15,000 rupees can be tax exempted by submitting these bills to your employer. You cannot avail this tax benefit by submitting bills to the IT department. Simplification of rules and procedures has always been on the agenda of the Modi government. We have seen this with big steps like merger of the railway and union budget, or be it with small steps like simplification of the documentation process where only self-attestation is now required. So standard deduction might seem like just bringing in a marginal benefit for the salaried class, but on the documentation side, it has brought in a major relief for the employees as well as the employer, where all this paperwork is not required for medical reimbursement. Standard deduction brings in parity. That is, it brings salaried individuals and business people or professionals at par. People who run their business or profession can claim tax deduction for expenses incurred towards running their business, which could include fuel and conveyance expenses, depreciation on car, expenses incurred towards subscriptions of books or periodicals, attending seminars, etc. Whereas salaried individuals cannot claim any such deductions except conveyance allowance. So in a way, standard deduction can now cover all these expenses for salaried individuals as well. So friends, that's all we have on this topic in this video. Hope the video has been informational. Thanks for watching this one. Watch this space for more such topics. If you have any questions, do let us know in the comment section below our videos. And if you like our videos, please do subscribe and share. Before we end, we want to let you know that Yadnya Investment Academy's first book, which is a collection of 108 questions and answers on mutual funds and SIP, can be bought on Amazon, Flipkart, etc. And the link to buy the same is mentioned in the description of this video. So see you in another video. Until then, happy investing.